Hello everyone, my name is Katie Zarco-Cardoso and I am one of the product training coordinators on the product training team here at Wellness Living. This video will provide you an overview of the Achieve Client App's redesign. The sign-in page, the Book Now tab, and the location details page of the Achieve Client App was refreshed to give clients a more pleasant branded experience. Here we can see the new redesigned sign-in page. On the Book Now tab, clients can book classes, enrollments, appointments, or assets. This redesign will allow for further ease in accessing services on the app, including switching locations. Clients can easily switch locations by tapping the drop-down next to the business's name. In addition, when a client books a service, they will also see an updated booking confirmation screen. So here our client is booking this lifting and mechanics class. I'm going to select complete booking, and we can see what the updated confirmation screen looks like. On the My Profile tab, there has been a redesign where clients can now conveniently leave reviews from their past schedule. To access this, clients can tap My Schedule. They can see their upcoming services or their past services. So tap Past Services, and then clients can easily leave a review by tapping the three-dot button, and they will be able to leave a review for that service. Please note that these changes are aesthetic and not behavioral, but now clients will see a sleek design with easy-to-access options. This is all part of our redesign initiative, so make sure to look out for more upgrades to the Achieve app coming soon. That is it for this Achieve app redesign overview. Thanks for watching.